Hey guys, welcome to Tactor's tutorial. Today, we are going to talk about how to use Invideo for YouTube Shorts. It is a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's dive right in. Welcome to this step-by-step YouTube tutorial on how to create engaging YouTube Shorts using InVideo. So in this tutorial, we'll show you how to utilize InVideo in here to make eye-catching and successful YouTube short similar to those seen on popular faceless YouTube channel that breaks in 1 million of views and monetize its content. So these kinds of videos are really famous as of the moment right now. And by the end of this video, you'll learn also, or you'll have the knowledge and tools to kickstart your own YouTube short channel and potentially increase your visibility and revenue. So just a quick overview onto what our faceless YouTube channel. So this typically refers to a YouTube channel where the creator or content producer doesn't reveal their face or identity on camera. Instead, they create content while maintaining their anonymity. So these are often used various techniques to conceal their identity, such as voice modulation, using avatars or animated characters, or just refraining from showing their face. And for us to be able to get started onto creating something like this, the first step is idea finalization. So for the first step that we have, we're gonna use this tool that we have in here, which is OpenAI ChatGPT. So if you're not familiar with this platform, this is a language model developed by OpenAI and based on the GPT-3 architecture. So it is designed for generating conversational responses in natural language. So this is a sibling model to instruct GPT, which is designed for providing detailed responses to prompts. So ChatGPT can be used for a wide range of natural language understanding and generation. It can be used to build onto certain tasks, including chatbots, virtual assistants, and many more. So it is capable of maintaining coherent and contextually relevant conversation with users, making it a valuable tool for various applications in the fields of customer support, content generation, and many more. And for you to be able to get started with this, you'll just need to go ahead and click on to try ChatGPT. Now you'll just need to create an account for that. And as you can see, once you have created an account, you'll get redirected here onto this page. So there are actually two ChatGPT already right now. Currently, we're using the 3.5, which is the fastest model, great for most everyday tasks, and the GPT-4, which is most capable model, great for tasks that require creativity and advanced reasoning. So for you to be able to use this, you need to upgrade to ChatGPT Plus for that one. Now to get started with the first step, so we're gonna go ahead and nail down our content ideas. So we're gonna put in here, create 60 YouTube short ideas. So let's type in here, create 60. So we need to specify how many and then YouTube shorts ideas, which will allow us to post twice a day for a month, similar to the different channels that we've seen earlier. So to keep things organized and effective, we could go ahead and categorize our shorts into 6 buckets. So there are actually different categories that we could do for this. For example, we could try to do love facts, psychology, success, D facts, relationships, or life facts. So this segmentation or strategy makes it easier to manage and diversify your content. So here are the categories that we just added in here. So what we're gonna need to do in here is we'll just have this generated into ChatGPT, and then we're gonna go ahead and wait for its response. So as you can see, it gone ahead and already created some segments for us, and we'll just have to wait for that. Now, right after ChatGPT is complete already onto giving you the ideas, so you're just gonna go ahead and try to copy that one out and paste it anywhere. So you'll have the option to just paste it onto where you'd like, and then right after, we're gonna go ahead and get one topic at a time so that we could go ahead and try to get the facts regarding that. So we're gonna head back to ChatGPT in here, and then we're gonna paste it here onto the text prompt. And then we're gonna go ahead and ask ChatGPT to write a brief information regarding this for our YouTube short. We're gonna go ahead and set that and we'll wait for it. Now, right after, as you can see, we have here, did you know that love isn't just a feeling or anything that is related to the topic that we have? We're gonna go ahead and try to copy that one out again, and then we're just gonna go ahead and have this organized or paste it here onto our chosen platform or website. So you could actually use Google Sheet in here so that it would be really organized and it would be easier for you to sort out all of the details that you have. Now, right after, once everything is all set up, we're just gonna go ahead onto our video editor in here, which is Invideo. So as you can see in here, you'll just have to search Invideo onto your browser, and then you'll get redirected onto this page. Now, signing up in here is just free and easy. So you'll just have to click onto this one in here, sign up, it's free, to create an account. Now, creating an account is just easy. You'll have the option to sign up with Google in here, type in your name, email, and then add in your password and click on to create an account. Now, if you have an account also, you could just simply click on to login in here, and just the same option, you could log in using your Google account, Facebook, your email password, and then just click on to continue. And personally, I try to use login with Google every time so that I don't have to remember my email and password. I'll just have to click onto the account that I want to use. Now, as you can see in here, we've gone ahead and get redirected onto the dashboard. So this is what Invideo's dashboard would look like. We have here the create new onto the upper part, your account settings, and if you want to upgrade onto a different plan, you could just simply click onto upgrade in here to view the different subscription. So as you can see, you have monthly and yearly in here, and there are two plans available. We have the business, which is good for small businesses, educators, and influencers for $15 per month, and unlimited for agencies and larger teams for $30 per month. Here onto the bottom part, you should be able to see the inclusions onto each plan, and you could see also a detailed comparison here onto the bottom part. You'll just have to click onto that one. Now going back, since we've gone ahead and already prepared our codes or our information or topics regarding our short videos, we're just gonna head over here onto the templates tab. So we're gonna go ahead and click onto this, since Invideos in here have some templates that are ready for your YouTube short. So these are specifically designed for that format. So you could just find them by searching here onto the search bar, YouTube short templates, or you could just view onto the different things in here as well so that you could start from scratch. And then you could use these things in here for some ideas. So we're just gonna go ahead and try to use the search bar in here and try to search YouTube shorts. Now, as you can see, we have YouTube Shorts template in here. We'll just have to click onto that so that we'll get redirected onto the different templates that we have in here. So we'll just have to choose which one you like to use so that we could go ahead and start adding in our details for the video. Now, if you hover onto each video as well, there's actually a quick preview on how it would look like. And there is also a star button in here to add this to your favorite. So for us to be able to use a certain template, once you've chosen, you'll just have to click onto that so that you'll get redirected onto this page when it gives you another preview as well and some details in here. So you should be able to choose in here the different formats, and you'll just have to click onto portrait in here. We are doing shorts, and then right after, we're gonna go ahead and use this template. Now, once you have your design already ready in here, you could see the elements here onto the right side. So here onto the defects, you could go ahead and click onto that, head back to the ideas that you have. For example, we're using love facts in here. So we're gonna go ahead and get that category, and then right after, we're gonna go ahead and paste it in here. So we'll just have to double click that to change it, and then right after, paste it like that. So you could go ahead and try to resize this as well to make it bigger. So let's do it right that. And then you could add in your channel name in here. And then here onto this one, you could go ahead and try to add in the codes or information that you have. So for example, in here, we could add this. So we're gonna go ahead and add that emoji as well. So this one is up to you already. You could go ahead and try to choose what do you like to add onto your YouTube short. And as you can see, we could do it like that. And then right after, you're onto the media as well. You could go ahead and try to change it. There are different videos here or medias that you could try to incorporate in there. So once you have that one set up, you could just go ahead and try to customize the video's background by searching for suitable clips here, or you could add variety to your videos, or you could further customize a template. So this could actually done by changing background videos in here, altering the text colors, fonts, and animation. And remember, sticking with the default text animation will save you time and maintain consistency into your content. Duplicating projects as well and customizing them with different backgrounds is a great way to add variety without investing too much. And as you can see, you have different tools here onto Invideos. So once you've gone ahead and already edited that, it's time to do a quick preview in here. So you have this plus button to check the progress of that so that there won't be any errors. And once you're satisfied, it's time to export this. So you actually have the export button here onto the upper part, and you need to upgrade to go ahead and export. So we recommend exporting in 180p for the best result. And if you run into any issues or need assistance, Invideo offers 24/7 support via the chat icon in here. And with a response time of less than 30 seconds, you could also find additional tutorials and articles on the help page. Now, once you have this one ready already, what you'll need to do is just have this uploaded onto your YouTube channel. You could experiment with a short, add in catchy titles and your selected hashtag to create a sense of urgency and curiosity among your viewers. And that's just basically it. On to creating YouTube Shorts using ChatGPT and Invideos. Remember to post consistently, engage with your audience, and keep an eye on the analytics to make data-driven decisions. So we'll be closely monitoring our channel's progress and will provide data-driven decisions. And if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and if you have any question, don't hesitate to comment it down below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on to our next video.